Hi folks, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw three circles touching each other when given the position of their centers. So assuming we have the position of their centers to be, let's say A to be B and to be C. So we want to draw three circles having the centers as A, B and C. All you need to do is basically you draw the three given centers A, B and C and connect them. So we'll connect them with straight lines. So we have this. Now the next stage is basically after connecting them, you find the center O of the triangle formed. So basically this center O of the triangle formed is gotten when you bisect two angles of the triangle. So basically the center O of the triangle when you bisect two angles of the triangle. So let's bisect any two angles. You can also call it the in center. It's called the in center. So when I bisect this first angle, we have here, we have there. So I'm going to draw a line through it. Then we also have the next one. Let's draw, here we go. So widen the radius and cut left, cut right. So I will draw a line through it. Here we go. So here we go. This is the in center of the circle. So let's call it O. Now draw a perpendicular to any side from O. So let's just draw a perpendicular from O to this side here. Let's draw a perpendicular from O to this side here. So perpendicular from O to here. So here we go. This is the perpendicular, and after doing that, we center A and radius AE. So basically, this center. Okay, let's use C and radius C and center C and radius CE. You can draw the first circle. So this C and radius CE. This is E here. This is E here. So you just need to draw a first circle. This is the first circle we're drawing here. This is the first circle. So this CE. Now the next step is we center C. We center B and radius BF. So this BF, draw the next circle. So all you need to do is you begin to draw draw perpendicular from O to the sides. So if you draw from O to this side here, let's draw the perpendicular from O to this side here. We have this here. So I have it here. So then we'll also draw from O to the last side. Here we go. So this will be the place from where we'll draw the second circle. At least for the second circle. And for the second circle we have here. So these circles will touch each other, basically. And these are their centers. So here we go. So then yeah, just open to this third circle. Center A. So we have our third circle here. So here we go. This is the process of drawing three circles to touch each other when given the position of their centers. Thanks for watching.